What is up, you guys? It is Parker
Hey
here with
y'all.
DecoExchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Someone bought this cat off our Etsy store. It has a giant bow on it. Y'all, we've made so many of these. I actually forgot that we still had some of these listed. So I had to come to the warehouse and make this one. Y'all, I sold well over 100 of these cats just last year. I will tell you that if you get one of these, sometimes they have a hard time with the glue. So you may just want to, like this one right here, see how the ear is kind of loose? We're going to want to just tack a little bit of glue on there. Y'all, when the warehouse was like, we can't find this cat we need to ship, I was like, the cat with the orange bow? I already knew that it wasn't made. It's not a hard one to make, but still. All right. Y'all, this one is super simple. All I did was I took one nice, pretty pick, worked it underneath the bow this way, so that it hung down over here, like so. Gonna add just a little bit of glue in there. Then we add a bow to it. So y'all, we're just gonna make a little simple bow. All right, let's get our little bow tied off. Y'all, this one's really easy. I literally just add that spray in this bow to the cat. And call it a day. All right, let's dovetail it. So yeah, when I first started, the first thing I did was I checked the fabric and I glued a few spots. All right. That's all I do on this one. We sell these for $50 off Etsy. And I sold over 100 of them. But that's the last one I'm doing, at least for right now. Bye, y'all.